So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can use AI workflow builder like a pro to create both complex and simple automations quickly. So instead of manually adding each step, we'll simply describe the workflow we want and the system will generate the automation for us. So we'll try two examples in this video. The first one will be a large multi-step workflow with around 7 to 8 steps. Then we'll create a simple two-step workflow where I'll show you the complete setup process including the connection of apps. And one more interesting thing, that you can write your request in any another language too. And the system will understand that and responds quickly. So let's get started. So to get started, you just have to open your dashboard inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can create up to 100 of automations for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the dashboard and now you have to click on this create workflow and then go to this create using AI. Now let's just start fresh. Okay, so as you can see, if you are new over here, you're going to see this window. So now what you have to do is you just have to enter the details over here. Okay, so to get started, let's suppose we are running a webinar registration system, and whenever someone registers, we want multiple things to happen automatically. Save the registration details in Google Sheets, send a confirmation email, send WhatsApp message, add the person to email marketing list, create a contact in CRM, send a Slack notification to the team, and send a calendar reminder to the participant. So instead of doing all of this manually and creating this each step manually, we're just going to simply paste our prompt. So as you can see, I've entered the prompt. So let's just send this prompt and now it is analyzing my request. And after a few minutes, you're going to see, yes, it is asking me a question that which typeform trigger should start this workflow. So let's select it as new entry. For the Google Sheet, select it as add new row. For the email, select it as send email. Now for the WhatsApp, select your WhatsApp application using which you're going to send the WhatsApp messages and then select the event. Now for the email marketing, I'm going to use Pabbly Email Marketing V2. So select the same, select the action event, then move on further, select the CRM of your choice and then select the event. Now select the Slack channel message right over here, which is the event, and yes, it is saying ready to create the workflow. So we have all the details over here. If you want to edit this workflow, you can edit it directly from here. Otherwise, just click on this approve and create. Yes, this workflow is created successfully. So as you can see, I entered the prompt at 12:50 and at 12:50 only the workflow is created. Within a minute, a multi-step workflow is created. So once you're going to go on this open workflow, yes, this workflow is created over here. You just have to connect your applications and then you are good to go. So as you can see, a 7-step automation is created within a minute. Sounds unreal, right? But we have done this right now. Okay, so now let's just take a simple example. So let's go on this, yes, start fresh, and take a simple example, type form to sheets. So I'm just going to enter the prompt very simple right over here, which is just a 2-word prompt. Let's see that it is going to understand or not. Yes, it is understanding. So let's just select the action once again, and now you're going to see this workflow is created successfully. So not only in English, you can enter the prompt in any another language too, and the AI understands it. So for example, instead of writing the prompt in English, you can type it in Hindi, Spanish, and the system will understand your request and generate the workflow accordingly. So this makes it very convenient for the users who prefer different languages also. Now you just have to go on this approve and create and open your workflow. Now let's see how we're going to connect the applications after this workflow is created. So it's very easy. You just have to open the application and go on this connect. Once you're going to go on this connect, you have to click on this add a new connection and then connect with Typeform. Now what you have to do, you just have to choose your account. Make sure that your accounts are logged in. Click on this accept. Your Typeform will be connected. Very easy. Now you just have to select the form for which you want to create this automation. Select the response format as advanced for Typeform and click on this save and send test request. It is saying waiting for webhook response. So what we have to do, we just have to submit this form once. So let's go on the share of the same form, copy the form link, open it in a new tab, and let's just submit this form to capture the webhook response. So let's just copy the form link, let's open it in a new tab, and I am just going to submit this form. Okay, so it is asking for the first name, so I'm going to keep it as Smart. For the last name, let's keep it as User. Let's move on further. For the company, let's keep it as Pabbly over here. Let's move on further. For the email, smart@pabblytudes.com. For the phone number, I'm just going to enter this as my phone number. Okay, so now let's just click on this submit, and we have submitted this form. So let's open our workflow, and you're going to see that Pabbly has captured the response. So now let's add these details in my Google Sheets. So open this Google Sheets. Once again, go on this connect, click on this add a new connection, and then sign in with Google. Select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build this connection. Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. Click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions, and your Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now you just have to select the spreadsheet over here and then one by one enter the details. But over here is a hack that you don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So I want to add the details like the first name, last name, email address, and the mobile number. So one by one I am just going to map these details. Put a slash, search for the detail, and map it like this. So one by one I am going to map all the details. It is very important that you also use mapping, otherwise this workflow is not going to run in real time. After mapping the details, click on this save and send test request. We have received the positive response that we have successfully added the details in our Google Sheets. So now let's just open our Google Sheets, and you're going to see the details are added right over here. All the details are exactly the same which we entered during the test submission. So yes, with this we have seen how to create multi-step workflows and two-step workflows using AI Workflow Builder inside Pabbly Connect. So go and try this amazing feature yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly drop that in the comment section below. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips and tutorials, just subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.